Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you like one more lychee based mocktail. The mocktail name is Litchi Paradise. How to make Litchi Paradise? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add lots of ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze on fresh lemon into the glass. Okay. After that, you have to add 120 ml of lychee juice. Then you have to add some lime cordial. Then shake all the ingredients properly. Then take any type of fancy glass and pour all the ingredients. Then simply add 10 ml of blue cocoa syrup. That's it. After that, take any type of glass and add 5 ml of grenadine syrup. And add 90 ml of soda. Then simply with the help of bar spoon just pour the slowly you have to pour the other. Okay, this is the like lychee paradise mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Cheers for this mocktail.